Yo, what is going on, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn this car into this. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is where we at, guys. I have the mask on still, but as you can see, there's a little bit of tiger striping, but that's okay because it's only the first coat. So this is where we're at right now. I'm pretty sure you can see it. So yeah, guys, it's been about 22 hours that I painted the hood. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's pretty cold and windy out here, but we do have some higher spots than others. But that's why we're gonna be sanding, so you get even everything out. We got higher spots, as you can see, but we're gonna wet sand it and cut and polish it. So it's gonna come out pretty good. So this is how it looks so far. I like how it looks. Looks pretty damn good. Hell yeah. So as you guys can see, that last wet sand was 2,000. I can go up to 3,000, but I did the roof with up to 2,000 and it came out just fine. But don't be scared. It's gonna have to look like this, kind of cloudy, kind of hazy, but that's cool because the cut and compound, the cut and polish is gonna look even better. It's gonna remove all those tiny scratches. So there you guys have it. I know I still gotta clean up all the edges of that compound. This is the compound that I was using, complete compound from Griot's. I think it's like $10 in AutoZone. It's a really good cutting compound. As you guys can see, I still need to clean it up, wipe it off, but you see, the mirror glaze is pretty good. Again, guys, we do have rock chips, you guys can see, but I honestly don't really care. It's a project car, not a show car. So this is after 2000 grit and 2500 grit. I mean, it's a rattle paint can job, so I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. In some spots you can see a little bit of hazing, but I don't know if I would have to go again with the polishing pad or something, but other than that, I'm pretty happy. So there you guys have it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I do not consider myself a professional by any means, so please don't roast me down there. If I did something wrong, make sure to comment for the algorithm. Give me a little bit more exposure. Just don't roast me though. Not just like. But on another hand, I did learn a lot of things. Painting this thing, tearing it apart, I got more of a feel. It took me a long time to get it all set up and done on how the weather has been, because can't really paint in the cold. I had to redo the trunk because I didn't clean it right. So all that stuff goes into consideration on how long something will last. So yeah guys, I do not consider myself a professional. I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic video. Leave a thumbs up. I'll see you later. Peace.